And this is Celebrity Sweets. Well, welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and tonight on ABC, American Idol is back for Season 2. Again hosted by Ryan Seacrest and judged by Luke Bryan, Lionel Richie, and of course, Katy Perry. And we start off in the audition rounds, then go to Hollywood, top 20, they go to Hawaii this season, and then the finals, finalists, and then we have an artist. So today we are going to make something that's very iconic to American Idol, the Hollywood Golden Ticket. When you pass your audition, you get this and you're going to Hollywood, you made it to the next step. And we are going to make that ticket into a candy bar. It's going to have a white chocolate shell. Inside is going to be filled with caramel and pecans and a graham cracker. And then we're going to top it off with the American Idol text. The ingredients for this candy bar are white chocolate chips, 1 cup of soft caramels, 1 packet of graham crackers, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans, a teaspoon of coconut oil, black candy melts, yellow and ivory food coloring, and some golden luster dust. You'll also need a candy mold. I found this one on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to use this one too. The first thing we're going to do is melt down our white chocolate chips, and we're doing this because we're going to color it that golden ticket color. And I would normally use candy melts, but I couldn't find any that matched it exactly. And this is a super easy way to color any chocolate, so if you're looking for a color that they don't make, this is how you do it. We're going to start by popping this chocolate into the microwave for 30 seconds. Stir, 30 seconds, stir, 30 seconds, stir, and repeat until your chocolate is fully melted. 30 seconds. Stir. 30 seconds. So our white chocolate is melted and now we can color it. And coloring chocolate can vary with everyone. If you're using a powder dust, you'll have a better chance at mixing in the color. But I'm going to be using gel food coloring and showing you, just because when we add gel, the chocolate starts to seize up. What we're going to do is add a few drops of ivory and yellow to get that golden color. And then add in your coconut oil, however much needed, until the chocolate goes back to that smooth consistency. So we've mixed in color to our chocolate, and now we can add it to our mold. I've just lightly greased the mold just because it's not silicone and I don't want it to not come out because that'd be sad. But what we're going to do is take our chocolate, pour it into the mold, and then the fun part. Take the mold and flip it upside down so that we have an outer shell. I've set our chocolate off to the side to let it harden, and now we can start to make the filling of the candy bar, the caramel. This is a super easy caramel recipe because we're using caramel and we're just thinning it down. Take our sauce pot and our caramel and whipped cream over to the stove. On medium-low heat, add in all of your caramel, and then stirring constantly, scoop dollops of your heavy whipping cream until your caramel is completely smooth. So now we can assemble this. We've got our chocolate, which has hardened, our caramel, which I've let it sit a little bit just so it won't melt the chocolate, and our graham crackers and pecans. I'm going to start by taking 1/4 of our graham cracker and place it in the center. Then drizzle some caramel on top and top it with some pecans. Once your caramel, graham crackers, and pecans have set, now we can add on the last layer of chocolate. Again, using our colored white chocolate, just add it onto the top, shake it off, and then let that set as well. Our candy bars are all set and they look amazing. You can see kind of the cross section of the caramel. But now we can add on our final details. We're going to start by taking some of our golden luster dust and just make it look even more gold. The last thing we're going to do is add on the words American Idol using some black candy melts. And here we have them, our American Idol Hollywood Golden Ticket candy bars that we made today. These are a super simple treat and you can fill them with whatever you'd like. We went for a kind of golden feel with a homemade caramel, graham cracker, and pecans. Topped it off with some luster dust and some candy melts just to complete the look. Now I have to try one. There's so many different textures and flavors in the candy bar with the smooth caramel and the crunchy pecans and then that crisp wafer kind of graham cracker that we added, all coated in chocolate, which of course is good. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here is my latest video where I made some Justin Bieber inspired pancakes, and down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Thursday.